Hello guys, welcome. You're watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to make your own logo on any video simultaneously. Also how you will create any message which will scroll at the center bottom of the video. So for example here, let's see. See guys, at the center bottom it's scrolling simultaneously. Here is my logo. So you can create according to your own customization if you would like to. For example, have the scrolling your contact number simultaneously, any informations, notifications you can have which will scroll. For example, see, and this one you can here. For example, this one you can set up according to your own customization on a left side, right side, and see here this design. This is my logo, which will also scroll according to your own customization that you designed on any video. So let's see in this video tutorial how we will do it. So for it guys, simply I will open, let me delete first it. Now see guys, firstly I will go for open Sony Vegas Pro software, and now see guys here, simply I will go for in a file and I will import. So simply I will go for import media, and here I will select a video. So let's see this video I have selected. I will open it. Now see guys, I would like to this, I will drag from here to here. Now I will go for no. Now see, this video will be lengthy, so just let me short here. Now I would like to have here logo firstly. So for logo, just simply you have to click on media generator. In media generator you have to come on title and text. So let me click here. Now see guys, here you will get a design logo if you would like to have in this way. Yeah, this one will be fine. So let me have bounce. So what I will do guys here, simply I will click on here and I will go for insert a video track. So let me click here and I have to go for video track guys. So click here, no, just yeah, see guys, you have to click here and just I will go for insert video tracks. Fine. See, I would like to have a logo and scroll down here also. So firstly, two times I have to insert the video track. So in a first time, just I will drag it from here, and here I will write my logo that we want here. So now see guys, this one I will keep in a dwindle size. So a small size, so just I will get 10. Now I will go for make it bold. Now simply here I have to come in a location strategy. In a location color you can change it from here, no problem at all guys. Now see guys, here just I will drag it here, this one, fine, a little more. Now it's so fun at all. So now what we have to do guys here, simply I will go for cut from here and I will increase this from here to here. Now once again I will click here and I will insert a video track, and here I will scroll down and just I will go for guys here, see, this is a left scrolling, so it will from here to here, this ones. Yeah, if you would like to from here to here, so this will be right scrolling down. So what we will do here guys, we will choose here this one's right scrolling down. So let me have now here, for example guys, anything you can write that you would like to create a message on this video. So for example, let's see. Now what I will do guys here, color you can change according to your own crystallization. For more visuality, simply you have to increase it first, and I will click here this line because it will show more visuality. That's what you're doing in preview. This is your preview center. Now see guys, I will select, just I will hold the control buttons, and after holding just I will press A and I will decrease the size of this text, so just I will keep it 10. Yeah, it's fine. Now I have to set location, so simple way I will go in a locations and I will set this one is a files. Now this is a very important thing, so that is a duration guys here. In duration simply you have to make a 2 here, otherwise it will scroll but too fast, so you won't be able to read it out very well. So that's why you have to make here slow it. Why I'm telling you, see, suppose at the moment if I play, now see, it will too fast. So here what I will do guys, simply I will click here and I will make it slow, so I will write here 2. Now color you can change according to your own crystallization, so let me have the yellow color here. Now I'm going to close it. Here see, this is a scrolling. Here you can change also, no problem at all, design, but here now see guys, what I will do, I will select all. So for example, once again let's preview. I will click on a play button. Yeah, now it will slow scroll. So let me back here now. what I will do, I have selected all. So once again let me confirm here guys, just select all, then I will go for alpha value, sound false. Now I will simply come on render as. After coming here, I have to select this format, so MP4, AAC MP4 Magic, and here size, in what template you would like to have. So this 720p 25 IPS, and I will select this one on my desktop. So just let me go for now render. So now see guys, it has started to. So let's wait, and then we will see. And still you facing any problem guys, then you have to raise the query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible according to your query. So now see guys, it's scrolling here. In a duration, simply I would like to inform you again that keep it to there so that it will scroll slowly so that any message will be readable. Otherwise nobody can read because it will scroll too fast. Let's see guys, 50% is completed. Here see, it's producing, so it will take a scarcely 1-2 minutes more. So let's wait till completions, and we will watch it how it's created. So especially for title and text you would like to have, you have to go for simply media generator to title text guys, and you will be able to create your own logo simultaneously on message that you would like to impulse on any videos. So let's see guys, almost done. Now it's completed guys. So firstly let me close from here. Yeah, I will go for. Now see guys, let's see. Now see guys, my logo is coming here and this one is scrolling here. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. My motive is how you will able to create your own logo simultaneously on message on any video that you would like to impulse. So thank you very much. Have a great time. And if this video has acknowledged you guys, then please don't forget like and subscribe to my channel. So because this is the thing that's really inspired me to make more and more video for education purpose, guys. So thank you very much. Once again, keep watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time.